storm rolling in. Just got off the phone with Mama Bear. Said it's really bad over there. Ooh, I think I got that. Yeah. Ooh. Getting a bit more rain. Yeah. I just got a tornado warning, so just waiting around right now. See if this tornado comes around. Probably not. Oh, there's some thunder. You guys see that? There's a big wall of rain right there. And it's coming. I can feel the wind. Ooh. Seas are coming. That is... I hope not. But there's a big wall of rain coming. Holy shit. It's coming.
You might have to cross the window.
Holy cow. Jeez. Here comes the rain. Here comes the wind. There's a lot of rain coming down. Holy cow. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's a lot of rain coming down. I can see better right here. Well, that looked pretty scary with that water coming. Big wall of rain coming.
It is like the sound when it hits the window.
It's just all the pressure of the rain.
God damn, it looks like plastic on top of them. Like someone built something in plastic.
Yeah. That was one hell of a tornado, man.
Now
It's just
we're
wind and rain.
We're lucky we didn't get a tornado on us.
But I bet you anything, it probably touched down probably between Kijik Bay and Frenchman's Head, probably, like it always does. Oh, jeez. There's a lot of rain coming in. Okay. Ooh, there's some clear sky over there, I think. Yeah, thunder sounds weird.
New moon actually is very hard to see.
There's clear sky over there.
Cool sky.
That's all she wrote. End of the storm. Strike right up there. Oh my cow. That's crazy. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks like they're going the opposite direction. Looks like it's coming back. That's weird, eh? Huh. Now there's clear skies over there. Ooh, yeah. Thing went that way. Thought it was done. We just seen the sun over there. And it was coming back this way. I'm getting twister updates a couple times now. It's weird. Huh.